Hello students, welcome to today's video lesson. Today we shall discuss how to write a narrative in order to obtain maximum marks. Remember, you are allotted 10 marks for this topic of the writing section. A narrative is a story or a description of events, experience or incident in a person's life. A narrative can be presented in a written account or orally. Narratives can be categorized into non-fiction such as biography, journalism and historiography. Fictionalization of historical events such as anecdote, myth, legend and historical fiction. Fiction such as literature in prose and poetry, short stories, novels and narrative poems and songs. Narratives are found in all forms of human creativity such as speech, theatre, music and song, comics, journalism, film, television and video games, radio, some painting, sculpture, drawing, photography and other visual arts. Remember the following points while writing a narrative. Personal narrative should be written in the first person. Add an interesting title to the narrative. Use graphic descriptions to explain your experiences. You might add fictional details to make the account more interesting. Remember to adhere to the word limit of 150 to 200 words. However, do not minimize important details in order to do so. Let us go through some examples of narratives. You had the incredible experience of traveling on the rooftop of a bus in one of your recent trips to the mountains. Narrate your experiences in not more than 200 words. The most thrilling bus ride. Last year, I had the very interesting experience of traveling on the rooftop of a crowded bus. It was the only bus traveling from Dharamshala to McLeodganj on that particular day. As the bus reached my stop, I had no option but to climb on the top of the bus along with my other friends, as the entire bus was already full. When the bus gathered speed on the uphill road, strong cold winds struck our faces along with the bright sunshine of the hills. It was uncomfortable at first, as I had never been on the top of a bus. Moreover, the view was both beautiful and thrilling. All the while that I enjoyed the picturesque scenery around the uphill climb, I also considered what would happen if I were to fall off the bus and roll down the hills. We all had to hold on to the railings on the rooftop to save our dear lives and luggage. I was both relieved and a little sad after we reached our destination in 50 minutes. It was a thrilling experience that will stay with me forever. Narrate your experience of befriending a stray dog in 150 to 200 words. Casper the friendly dog. Casper was a stray dog that I met regularly on my way to school. He was always present at the bus stand as most passengers pet him and fed him biscuits or chapatis from the tea stall nearby. Unlike most stray dogs, Casper was super friendly and clean. He did not feel threatened by the numerous unknown faces he met every day. I had been traveling in the same route for quite some years and Casper had become very friendly with me. I carried extra biscuits in the pockets of my school uniform and spent extra 15 minutes with him before my bus arrived. Casper and I played at the bus stop for a few minutes and then I fed him the biscuits. He would often bark at unknown faces and wag his tail shyly in order to be fed or get patted on his head. He was named by the tea stall owner nearby and generally went back home with him at the end of the day. I had been meeting Casper for 4 years and he welcomed me every morning with the same amount of joy and excitement as always. With that, we come to the end of today's video lesson. We hope this quick session helps you in your revision of the topic of narrative writing. Practice writing narratives regularly in order to sharpen your writing skills. We shall soon meet with another video lesson.